Shingle TV, baby. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet today. I want to know how many quotes you're writing for customers per week. So this week I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I wrote 7 quotes in 1 week. So if we add this up, the first quote is for 9,600. The second's for 2,000. The third is for 2,900. The fourth is for 5,700. The fifth is for 4,200. The sixth is for 3,000. The seventh is for 2,500. Now, we can add these up if y'all want, but imagine each one of them said yes. And that has happened before, where each one of them will say yeah, and I'll have a multiple magnitude of jobs to go through. So, you know, calculate that up. That's how much potential I have to make in 1 week. So, the importance of getting your quote out there, it's cool to talk about it, but put something on paper, email it to them. Here's an example. Email it to them. And I want to shout out Welchel Furniture. We're going to be doing you guys' roof. We're excited for it. It's one of the biggest roofs we're going to be doing this year. They're getting the full white gloves treatment, all the works. We're going to be power washing the whole roof. We're going to be replacing the skylights. We're going to be coating triple coats, sometimes in quadruple coats if we need it. We're going to be redoing all of their penetrations and eliminating all intrusions. They're getting the works, man. So shout out to Welchel Furniture. Appreciate y'all doing business with us. You guys have been around for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video before. We're going to be dropping more and more videos. Like I said, I was going to get a sales video like I promised you guys, but I forgot. I had my phone ready to record, but I got in my sales mode and I sold it, and I forgot to get it on camera. So next week we'll be dropping another one about, you know, showing live how I'm selling door to door, how we're getting it done, shit like this. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. Stay tuned, baby. This is Shingle TV. We haven't even started yet. Haven't even. Y'all check out my Twitch, Roof Lord with a 0. That's across all platforms: Twitch, Patreon, Discord, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, everything, baby. We're in there. Shingle TV, baby. Stand up. Beautiful. See how I'm breaking the barrier? Perfect fit. Yeah, turn around. See how I flip the shingle up before I put the nail in? It's because when I nail this down, I drop the shingle back. And it's called a blind nail. You can't see the nail from the ground, or the nail head. So bam. Take the scraps, throw those to the side. Looks like I got one more to do. Fuck. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. When replacing one shingle, let me trim this up. When replacing one shingle, you cut the back off. And you slip this under. See where there's tar? Oh shit, fucking hell. See where there's tar on it? Slide that up under it. Shingle sits on top and adheres to that tar. Put a nail in there, it's not going nowhere. So again, I got my scraper. Take that access shingle off. Then I get my nail. Oh fuck. Yeah, this roof is the slipperiest roof I've been on in a minute. There's nowhere to really blind nail. Y'all hear me pounding that wood? That's not necessarily a great thing. Then I take my other shingle. What's up, everybody? This is Shingle TV. We're on a 3-tab shingle right now. I just wanted to show you this ridge vent. Most of the time when I do ridge vent, I do shingle over ridge vent. This is just your typical metal ridge vent. If I were to take this up, there'd be a gap between this gable and this gable. We're on this roof today because we did a repair. Look how nice these boots are, by the way. See these pipe boots? But anyway, we put these new shingles on. He had a one of his plywood, the clips came undone, so the bottom buckled up. So I put a brace underneath it and drilled into it, and it set it down. And then I put those new shingles over it. I know they're kind of dark, as you can see, but the sun will fade them out and they'll end up blending. But overall, this is a pretty good roof. They're gonna call me when they want to file a claim. I personally don't think they're ready. They'd file if I told them to, but I just kind of want to wait till the shingles just have a bit more hail damage on them. They're pretty much good to go. Is all we need is some hail fall. And yeah, I'm sweating, man. This is South Carolina and it's 96 degrees. So if you look over here, see these wires? Always be careful of these wires, because if you got a metal ladder like I do, if you run into them, it'll shock the fuck out of you and you'll get electrocuted. While we're up here, I don't think I've talked about this on my channel. This is called a box vent or a turtle vent. And usually if you don't have a ridge vent, you'll have about 5 of these stacked on the back side of your house, acting as your vent. But overall, this is Shingle TV.
Z. So here, we're doing a little satellite removal. Got my tools here. Just loosen this bolt up. Take this out. There. Let's see, looks like we got one more over here. Okay. So basically you just take these two bolts out, take the dish off, and then you'll have a, this right here, they actually coated over it. So I'm not gonna be able to take the base off, but they'll have a base for whenever they want a new dish. So this surface right here, I usually charge between $250 to $400, depending on where the dish is. It's a good little side money.